Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Now, I like to bake at Christmas time, okay? And I like to bake and I give it to family and friends and neighbors. Okay, so I have a recipe that's kind of a big recipe. It has 5 1/4 cups of flour along with all these other ingredients. So I have everything right here. I'm gonna show you a really good recipe. This is a really good pumpkin bread recipe, but it's a big recipe. I have these. See, I have these and they have lids. I have these small ones and they also have lids. So I'm going to put everything in these. That's what I'm going to bake them in, these little aluminum foil pans. Once they're cooled off, what I'm going to do is I found these bags. I found them at the dollar store. And then I found these really pretty bowls. So I'm going to put a bowl in the bag and I'm going to put one of my my pumpkin loaves. It's going to be a really nice gift. So one time I made them with this and I covered it and I put 2 big bowls and that was a nice gift like that. But today I'm going to use my bags. So let's get started on the recipe. I have 5 1/4 cups of flour. This is pumpkin spice, 2 1/4 teaspoons. This is cinnamon, 2 1/4 teaspoons. This is 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of salt. So now I'm going to incorporate all my dry ingredients together. And now I'm just going to whisk all of these together. Okay, so now we're just going to set this to the side. So this recipe calls for 1 large can of pumpkin. This is 29 ounces. I'm going to add that to a stand mixer. But you can do it by hand when it comes to the mixing. Now I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of vegetable oil or a canola oil. This is 1 cup of water. This is 4 1/2 cups of sugar. And right here I have 6 eggs. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on my mixer and get this going. Okay, so now all my wet ingredients are combined. Okay, so now we're going to start adding our dry ingredients. Okay, let's put this down. And I'm going to start spooning this in and letting it go. So the thing about using a stand mixer is every so often you have to scrape the sides. So now all my pumpkin mixture is mixed. I'm gonna add 1 cup. I added 1 cup of chopped walnuts. That's a preference. You don't have to use the walnuts, but I like nuts. So these are my little aluminum loaf pans, my mini loaf pans, and they're filled with my batter, my pumpkin batter, 350-degree oven. So these are my pumpkin breads. Now I'm just going to let you know that this size right here, it took 1 hour of bake time for me to be able to put a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. These took about 40 minutes. So there's a size difference. I will give you the dimensions of these pans in the description box. But I have a bigger loaf pan and it takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes before I can stick the toothpick in it and it comes out clean. So that part you're going to have to judge, but these 2, I gave you the time. So then I put them in these little containers. These containers, you can buy them anywhere. You can buy them at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Target might have them. I found these bags at a dollar store. Beautiful little ribbon. I found that at the dollar store. And that's going to be some of my gifts to my neighbors. And inside, they'll find a very nice little loaf of bread. So for those of you who want me to cut in, I will cut in. I'll show you that. So here's my pumpkin bread. Inside, you can see some of the nuts. You could easily put some chocolate chips in here or cranberries, whatever you want. It's a very tasty recipe. And you saw my gift idea. You could get all your Christmas baking done at one time. This recipe makes quite a bit. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, it helps me out, and I will see you next time.